How to fix GCash app account is in hold. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now, I am inside the help center of GCash. You can basically open this from your mobile devices or your Windows computer. From here, I am inside the article on why my GCash account is on hold. Let's go ahead and talk about why this happened. If you encountered a prompt saying your account is hold, it may be due to any of the following reasons. First things first, you have inactivity. If your GCash basic account hasn't been fully verified in the last 12 months, it will go ahead and be deactivated. You have invalid information. The information and documents you provided for verification may not be real or accurate. You have your illegal use. Your account might be involved in illegal activities or suspicious transactions, or it might be used by someone not authorized. Next, you have legal orders. GCash may have received instruction from a government agency or court to hold your account. And lastly, you have inactive wallet. If your GCash wallet has had no transaction or zero balance for at least 6 months, it's considered inactive. Now, basically, to go ahead and fix this, it's as simple as submitting a ticket to GCash. First things first, head over to the GCash Help Center right here. Click on Chat with Gigi. And right after that, you can just go ahead and basically type for submit a ticket. Right after that, you want to hit on enter, and Gigi will reply with this menu or message right here. Now, unfortunately, for some reason, if it not work, you can just click on the main menu first, and from there, type the submit a ticket once more. Right after that, it will then go ahead and ask us this specific question: could you please clarify which GCash service you need to help with? In my case, I'll just go ahead and click on check the status of my ticket. And from there, you will be able to go ahead and basically submit a ticket or create a ticket if you haven't. In my case, since I've already created one already, this message is the only one that I'm receiving right now. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.